Welcome out for two students to class today on this Thursday, the 18th. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you're ready to work hard in class. Let's jump right into today's announcements. First of all, please turn in yesterday's notes. Make sure your name is on them, and please turn them in. By the way, I had someone, one of you students, emailed me yesterday and asked, "Is taking notes optional? And is this test grade optional?" And that's a great question. I have no problem with that question, but I'm sorry if I did not communicate this well. But no, it is not an option, guys. Everyone is getting a test grade, okay? Because I want everyone to take notes. And I'll kind of tell you what's going on here. Last year there were some problems in the Algebra 2 class with students not doing any work for the last 4 or 5 days of school while we reviewed. And so Mr. Harmon did talk to me about that, and he wanted to make sure students are working, which I agree with. I just didn't know students would have the audacity to sit there and do nothing. So I was like, well, I knew I had to do something. So yes, taking notes is required. Turning them in is required. I'm going to take all 5 days of review, add them together, get the average, and give you one test score. Okay? So, I know I'm not going to win the Most Favorite Teacher of the Year award for this decision, but it is something I'm going to do. Okay? So if you have any questions, contact me. So if they're not turned in today, then you'll lose points for them being late. If they're not neat, you'll lose points for them not being neat. If they're not thorough, sorry for yawning, if you're not taking really good notes, you'll lose points. Okay, I'm going to check them really well and give you a grade. Okay? Excuse me. Okay, moving on. Now, incompletes. Let's see what we have here real quick. Lydia, the handout for series and sequences I gave on, I think, Tuesday. I need that by tomorrow, or that will be a 0. Okay, so please take care of that. If you have any questions, contact me. All right? Let's see here. Today we will continue to review for your exam. Please remember these 5 days of review will be averaged for a test grade. Here's the information for the videos today. We're going to study exponential and radical simplifying. Okay? So I want you to watch test number 7 from the beginning until here. Then fast forward and watch it from here to here. We're then going to study simplifying polynomials. Okay? We're going to watch test number 9 from the beginning until 404. Then we're going to study factoring. Okay? So test number 9, watch it from 404 to 1436. Then we're going to study finding zeros, and we're also going to study polynomial division. Okay? So watch test 9 from here to here. And that's it for today. Guys, I know today and the next 3 days will be really boring, but it is what it is. Okay, we have to get this review in. Okay, if you're skipping my exam, I know, I know I have to announce this, Kendra, because students have to know if I have them on the list. So far, I have Kendra skipping my exam. Okay, now listen. A lot of you are probably waiting to see if you have an A average or not. That's fine. On Monday, I will announce the A averages, and those students are exempt from the exam. If you don't have an A average, you at that time might choose to use your good conduct to exempt my exam, and that's fine also, okay? So be thinking about that. And you'll have to make a decision on Monday. Sorry for yawning again. Okay, that's all for today, students. Oh, devices. Never mind. That's a different announcement for a different class. Okay, that's all for today, students. Please get to work on your review notes. Have a great day. Contact me if you have any questions at all.